Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2016 Harris Solstice 240. Freshwater only boat, under 140 hours, great condition, 250 horsepower Mercury Verado Pro. All right, so 240 Solstice. Traditionally one of our best-selling luxury pontoon boats. We sell a pile of these things. People love them. They ride well, they perform well, they turn exceptionally well, and lots of shade, especially when you get a double bimini top. So this has a new forward shade on it. It zips back to here. That way you get shade all the way back here to the back of the boat. 2/3 width, swing back rear seat. Super comfortable if you're pulling kids on the tubes and skis. It's got your safety chains around the back, so it is legal to ride back here while you're underway. Telescoping ladder, L bench. This does have a Lowrance hook 5 or a hook 4, excuse me, fish finder built right into the dash. Nice upgraded Polk stereo. This was the nicest stereo that you could get with this boat when it was new. And also interior LED lights. So LED lights, cup holder, seat bases, under rub rail, and up in the tower. So really nice boat, fully serviced, ready to go, under 140 freshwater only hours. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone.